Is there a link between menopause and changes in the brain? According to a new study, menopause is linked to changes in the brain similar to those seen in Alzheimer's. According to new research from the University of Cambridge, menopause is linked to reductions in grey matter volume in key brain regions and increased levels of anxiety, depression, and difficulties with sleep. Let's just break this down further for you. Menopause, as you must be aware, is when periods stop due to lower hormone levels. The age group typically is between the ages of 45 and 55. To counter the effects of menopause, particularly depressive symptoms and sleep problems, many women are prescribed what's called hormone replacement therapy, HRT. Menopause has previously been linked to cognitive decline like memory, attention, language deficits. The study was published in Psychological Medicine. The research was funded by the Wellcome Trust with additional support from the National Institute for Health and Care Research, Cambridge Biomedical Research Center. Researchers speculate the loss of grey matter in areas involved with memory and emotion might partly explain why women are generally at greater risk of dementia than men. Although women in the HRT group had greater anxiety and depression compared to the non-HRT group, further analysis showed that these differences in symptoms were already present before menopause. Women post-menopause were more likely to report insomnia, get less sleep, and feel tired. Menopause also appeared to have an impact on cognition. Postmenopausal women who were not on HRT had slower reaction times than those yet to start menopause or who were on HRT. The brain regions where the differences were seen are the ones that tend to be affected by Alzheimer's disease. And to some extent, this may help explain why we see almost twice as many cases of dementia in women than in men. And these findings are particularly significant. They help in better understanding the impact, the linkages. A healthy lifestyle, exercising, keeping active, eating a healthy diet, for example, are particularly important during menopause, remember, to help mitigate some of its effects. Also, a key takeaway and reminder here is that we all need to be more sensitive, not only to the physical, but also the mental health of women during menopause. And also recognize when they are struggling, and it's important to let others know about the struggle and what they are going through and seek help if required. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.